Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dagal, and in this video we are going to talk about a boy from my country who was able to earn over $150,000 by just going on TikTok live. So this is a true story. He has been interviewed by a bit of YouTubers, and he started to went viral when he claimed that he has already crossed over 100,000 in earning just by going to TikTok live. So we'll talk about that stuff in this video. We'll talk about everything, how he's doing it. So as you can see in my screen at the back, his name on TikTok is Ansh Verma underscore 100. You can follow him, go and follow him. So what he's basically doing is he's coming to live and people join his live, and then he start to uh, make people to play the game, and in that game he just tells people to write A, or I mean, for those who have less than followers, the people who are watching the live and have less than 1,000 followers, he just tell them to write A, and then people who have over 1,000 followers, he tells them to write B, and then he tells it those who have written A go follow to B, and those who have written B go follow an A. So he makes people to play that game, and in that moment, other uh, people comes to his life who are willing to pay him, who is willing to pay him, and they give him gift, and once the gift is received, their ID comes to the top of the TikTok live, and then he tells people to go and follow him. Now those who go and follow him, you'll also tell them to go and follow the top 35 followers of that gifter ID. Okay, so I think it is a little bit complicated for me to make you understand, but I'll try to show you a demo also by showing other people's live. Now, currently he's not live at this time. I think he will come live at 8 a.m. at here. You can see. So some time is remaining for him to come live. So okay, so this is the simple model that he's following. Now this is a working model. Okay, lots of people are hating him, but if you ask me, then he got into this trend in early phase and he was able to make good amount of money. Now why I'm calling it working model is because the same thing is done by another person, that is Netra official 07, and he's also able to earn good amount of money. Okay, now similarly they both are not only in this space. Okay, so there's another whose name is Mandira. So he's also, sorry, she is also, I'm sorry, she is also being able to earn good amount of money by doing the exact same thing that this boy is doing. Okay, and this boy is doing. So now Mandira is also not only one girl who is doing this. There's another girl whose name at TikTok is called Fuju. So all of them are earning good amount of money, okay, by doing the TikTok live. Now they four are on, not only they are not only the four people who are doing TikTok live. There are hundreds of other people who are earning, but a little low amount of money, but they are earning not as huge as they. So I think I watched one of her video where she was showing that I think her maybe monthly earning, I think daily earning or monthly earning. So his daily earning is $1,000 per day. Okay, I think her was $500 per day. I don't know exactly it was, if it was of daily or monthly or weekly, I don't know about that, but I have seen her earning $500 per day. So I was literally excited because the things that I do, like affiliate marketing, course creation, market online marketing and such stuff, it takes time, it takes a lot of time. But yesterday I decided that I will also test these things out, and I went to Ansh Verma live and Mandira live and collected 1,000 plus follower. I opened my live, I posted 2 3 videos. Okay, this video I just posted right now. If you want to follow me on TikTok, I'll give the link of my TikTok in the description of this video. I need to change this name because I previously put this name because my space is make money online space, so that's why I opened my TikTok in this name. But now recently I will change it up to October 11. I cannot change this name, but I'll soon change it. So now how they are making people to play the game, how they are doing live, we'll talk about those steps, those things. Now if you are not from my country, that is Nepal, then you may not understand the language, but anyway you can see, just see the system that they are following. So let me show you. So this here is another student official screen. So he is also making people to play game and getting gifts on TikTok. Similarly, here is official Manu. She's also playing. She's also making play. So we'll watch. They're both live. Okay now. So let me open it. So here you can see live. Okay. So just let's watch.
राखेको ल सबैजना मेरो साथलाई फेरि पनि स्वागत छ है।
So you can see here people are commenting A B B B. Okay. Previously I told you A B B. Now they will tell A to go to follow B and tell B to go to follow A, and they will do lots of other things also. And he currently has 79 players in his live. Okay, so he just received this rose. So this means gift. Okay, so now he is receiving it. Now this person is coming in his top in his live. Now he'll tell NP follow NP Sujan. He will tell in this live, and people will go and follow him. Okay, and then again he will tell go and follow NP Sujan's top 35 followers. Okay, and in that way they make people to play the games, and this person's followers will increase, and those who go and follow their followers also may increase. Okay, in that way this game is played. And also furthermore you will tell to people to go and like the videos of NP Sujan. Okay, in that way. So now let's talk let's watch about official MAH. So she have 328 players right now. So she's doing duet,
11,400
I
पुगेछ
think, in live.
25 लाख बढी
She's doing duet in live. So here also same thing, A B B B. Okay, so the same thing goes on. So now you can watch other videos and learn about TikTok live, or maybe I'll post other video in future. I'll put the link in the description for that if I made the training. So now let me show you. I also have gone live yesterday, and the result was not pretty good because I was just starting from yesterday, and I don't mind because in starting we all look like a fool. We don't know lots of stuff. Okay, so I made video in my own style and invited people to join my live. And like in first live I had like 80 people, and in second 37 people. So it was little bit weird, but also somehow I was able to do this, and I'm trying on this space also. And let's see if there is things that I can do good or not. If yes, then I will surely make full-fledged training. uh, Okay, so if you want to explore other ways to make money by doing CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or maybe uh, you want to learn making money online stuff, then I'll put several links that are trusted and recommended by me in the description of this video. And yes, if you also use the TikTok, then please do follow me and support me. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care. Have a great life ahead. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.